my name is Andy Jimenez and this is my entry for Challenge 3141. This is to create a trigger on the gigantic co-deal team member object. So we'll take a look at the functionality first. First, need to have a record type on contacts for internal. I've created a contact here myself, which has this custom field reference to a user of the same name. Created my opportunity record. Here we'll create a new GC deal team member record. These are the record types that came from the configuration. Select a particular role in that contact. Unsave of that record. Going back to the opportunity team member with that same role that we selected. We select an alternate contact that is not mapped to user. See that the GC deal team member record was created, but no corresponding opportunity team member. On deletion of that record, see that the corresponding opportunity team member has been deleted. Taking a look at the code, have a simple trigger on after delete and after insert, delegating all of the business rules to a class, the gigantic go deal team handler class, which responds to after insert and after delete. Take a look in there. See on after insert, there's the possibility to bypass the trigger logic, which can be set outside of the scope of this class, to test the business rules independently of the trigger. That will be seen in the test class later on. Delegate to get insert list method within this class to see if there are any opportunity team members that need to be inserted. The get insert list takes the map of the newly inserted gigantic code deal team member records. Check to see if there are currently any existing op team members to see if a new one needs to be created or not. Also, check to see, get a map of contact records to user records to understand if that contact record has a user map and is of type internal. Logic will check to see to make sure that there is a mapped user for that contact that's being inserted, and checks to see if there's already existing user with that same role I already have here. If so, we have basically add to a list of opportunity team members that need to get inserted, and we'll go ahead and insert the list. Similarly, after delete, we're using the old map to get a list of deleted records that should be deleted. Again, we need to check to see the existing team members to see if there's anything there, see if those existing opportunity team members are mapped to contacts that are mapped to users, and if so, then we'll check to see if those aggregate basically a list of opportunity team members. So this is all bulkified so it can perform one action. This is the test class to ensure that all of those situations are handled. Test the rules independently by using first the bypass trigger logic flag, checking the rules, and then by actually executing the trigger, we'll check the result of the trigger as well, so that the business rules and the transactions are actually both behaving as they should be. see that the code coverage for both the trigger and the handler are 98 to 100%. And I'll submit this. Thank you.